Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing to you some mistakes you can avoid before getting a two-blow haircut. These are just from my personal experience, but I believe most guys should know this. The first most common mistake is that we get this hairstyle when the sides of our hair are still too short. The thing for Asians is that if our hair is too short, it will simply stick up like a porcupine. We should let the side hair grow out longer in order for gravity to bring the hair down and not stick up. So if you're serious on getting a two-blow haircut, remember to grow it to a length that is long enough for a mushroom or bow look. I grew up my side and back hair really long to ensure that I would get a nice looking bow look. Coconut hair, mushroom head, yeah, some people might call you that, but you do you. If you like this hair, don't let the words of others bring you down. Generally, your side hair is the same length on both sides and it slightly dips down towards your back hair to give you a helmet look. Your hair fringe also has to cover your forehead to complete this look. As for the top hair, use your thinning shears just to thin out the bulk and make it more light. As for fading of the hair, it's not necessary. I usually just shave the sides and bottom back hair the same length, either a 1 or 1.5. You can also fade it a little bit to give it a fade look, where your side hair goes from short on the bottom to longer on the top. Out of all the hairstyles I've gotten in my life, I can strongly say that the two-blow hairstyle is one of the most versatile haircut for me. I can wear it down without any products, part it to the side, put it up with hair products. It's also such an easy haircut to trim at home without going to the barber every few weeks. My recommendation is to get a good haircut at the barber's and then trim it yourself at home for the next month or so before going back to the barber's again. I simply shave the sides at home by myself to stay somewhat neat looking. Feel free to check out my self-cut videos on my channel for more inspiration regarding this hair. Anyways, I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below and chat back next time.